Hello, so today we'll be replacing a bushing for the shifter linkage in the turret, because a common problem is when you drive it after a while, well, at least this is how mine is, this will get really stiff and stuck and not return to the neutral position. So first we'll be removing the battery to access it. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering why my car's all torn apart, it is because the timing chains were done before, but it's one tooth off. This one is one tooth off, so I'm waiting for the tools to put on the back of the cams to get it lined up perfectly. So yeah, not too bad. I'll have a video on that as well. So the battery is 210s. Off, just loosen it, pull it off, and then pull the battery out. Next, pull. There's 3 screws. One of mine has already been broken off. 1 and 2. And so now you want to pull this up and unclip it. I already have done it, but it's pretty easy. So I'll pull this out right here. Pull this out. Maybe. And you want to pull this out. Or just unplug it. Just unplug it. Next, we will lift this up. Just like that. Set that aside. Next, we'll want to pop that off and this off. Next, we'll pull these bolts. So there's one here. There is one, I believe, back here somewhere. Well, we are going to take this heat shield off and see if that helps, because it's not wanting to come off. So, start with the O-ring. We'll just take it with us. We'll set it there. So, we'll take this clip off. So, this is where the problem's at. These little bushings right here, which, so, I'm gonna see if I can probably find some at the store tomorrow, but if not, we'll just clean them out, put it back together, call it good.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
So, we got them down. I take off that bottom heat shield. I don't know if it's necessary, but it made it a whole lot easier. So now pull it back in and put it back together.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry. Be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.